this is what I will do. I hope it will help you, you know, in your projects, some ideas. It's not like you will get the same same issue. In this basement, I have to do leveling, and here is the high spot. You see, I put the laser. If it's bottom laser transmitter attached to the floor, you see show the spot. This is the high spot. I would say it's higher. And now we can check how big. Now we will check how big. So here is 2.5. There is less. Here is 2. When I move everything, so we can see it's going down, 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 and here is almost 3. Here is almost 2 3/4, like this. So what I wanna do, I need to grind this glue, because the reason of this glue, it's not like carpet or something. Here is guys did moisture protection. Now some changes. The other guys removing drywall for some reason. Okay, it's not bothering me. I just clean it up. So I have idea to grind this. I guess it's glue, flooring glue. Sometimes guys put flooring glue to avoid moisture, but it's some moisture protection like rubber grinder not taking it. I don't know. Need big grinder or something, but I will go to different way. So now I want to put tea primer without water, just tea primer, and then over it I want to put Caraflex. This it's dry very fast, very strong mortar, and then put baker board on top. Then I put backs on top, you know, baker board to push it down 2-3 hours. Like promised Mapei, it will be dry. And then I will set up few different layers here, like making step down and then level it, because here is a lot, like in 2 inches, 2.5, a lot, 3 inches, that the deepest 2 3/4. So let's go to apply the primer. You see, I'm not using with water, just as it is. So I need, you know, bonding, 100% bonding. So this is really sticky glue, I mean primer. So I guess it will help me. No way to find something else. We have some special bonding material, but this is, I guess, the best one. Here it is. I already apply. You see this mortar. Now I want to put baker board. Okay, next step. So doing another course. So I want to explain you one more time what's the reason why I'm putting here baker boards.
First of all, I try to minimize moisture. So if I put in this amount, like what I used baker board, it will be a lot of water, and this basement already feel like a little wet. So this each baker board can cover 3 bags of self-leveling compound. If you know, when I'm doing leveling, I'm using approximately 5 gallons of water for 3 bags of self-leveling compound for 1 barrel. So if I put, for example, 10 baker boards, it will be approximately cover 30 bags and 10 buckets of water by 5 gallons. It's like, 50 gallons of water. You know how long it takes to be dry. That's why this is the number one reason why I'm installing here baker board.
Now it's next day. I just move whole bags back. This Keraflex RS, very hard material and fast bonding, like 2-3 hours. They said, but when I check it, it's really solid. If it's compared with cheap material, this is the best. So you see, now we have line. We need still build up. I wanna put one more layer here, add a little bit here. So because here is, you see, it's still higher. I would say almost full sheets, and this side, and there is I have to put something else. If you remember, I use tea primer without any water mix. It's really good for bonding to any old surface like this something glue membrane. It's not glue, it's water protection membrane, but it's too old and rough. Tea primer very good bonding for to this material. I just try to grind it. It's not possible to grind. It needs some special blades, and I don't know how long it will take. So better put tea primer, and then what I'm doing bonding, and also for self-leveling compound, when I put on some open area, I will use tea primer. I'm guessing it's really good enough, and then when it's dry, I will install glue down. You see, but contractor wants to put moisture protection. I want to put moisture protection on top. It will be to the self-leveling compound. It will be Bona 540. I guess you saw my videos about this compound. It's really not compound, about this moisture protection. It's really good material. I use a lot of times in blocked water. So this is what I will do. I hope it will help you, in your projects, some ideas. It's not like you will get the same same issue, but you see. So if I put so much self-leveling compound like I need it, I don't know when it finished dry, like in a month, maybe more, because here is, you see, the air heaters on the walls. It only here one. In this room, no any heaters. So this is the problem why I'm scared it will be dry so long. I put third layer of baker board and make ramp. You see, just slightly down. Here is I need to finish, and also here. It's very simple. Just put the trowel like this and make it flat. You see? Tomorrow when it's dry, I will put tripods in this room and also in that room, and I will in one shot level whole this room. This is my goal. So if I'm not making these ramps, when I put self-leveling compound, it will be a little bit wavy on these edges. So you need to level again. So if you want to avoid it, you need to make ramps. Okay. Here is another day. It's dry. I put dryer here. So now mortar need to primer it. So I'm using tea primer, mix it with water for better absorption. So when I prime it, I put tripods and start leveling. I start set up tripods. You see, so like this, and this is the point, highest spot here. Then come into this room a little bit. So easy. Just take the tripods. That's it. You see, pretty easy, visible. This is need more. There is fine. You see, it's already in this side also. Okay, this is need little bit. I need roll it out, and then I follow to this room. Okay, so now what we see here it is. This is level now, and I come to other room, but it's not finished yet because floor is going up so much, and I have to level with couple of bags extra. I set up this fan. I go and open the window. Here it is. It's dry already. You see. Now we have to. No, it's not been dry, it's settled. So we need to take time to get it dry, and then I will put Bona for 540. Here it is. About level, you see, on the middle. This is result how to level this tripod.
In next videos I will show you how to make level if it's floor going up so much. In other room also I show you how to apply Bona R540 for moisture protection. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you next video.